Understanding your home's electrical system. Key safety insights. Your home's electrical system powers lighting, appliances, HVAC, and more, making it a critical focus during a home inspection. We visually assess the main electrical panel for safe wiring, proper labeling, and signs of damage. Check visible wiring for frays or outdated materials. Test outlets for grounding, GFCI, and AFCI protection, and review fixtures for safe installation. Warning signs like frequent breaker trips, flickering lights, buzzing outlets, or burning smells may signal fire hazards. Homeowners can help prevent problems by labeling breakers, avoiding overloaded circuits, replacing damaged cords, and scheduling routine inspections, especially in older homes. Electrical malfunctions are a leading cause of house fires, so early detection is vital. Call us now to schedule your professional home inspection.